This is the BSIDE SH7 thermal imager multimeter from AliExpress. It combines a thermal camera with a precision meter in one compact tool, so you can find faults faster and confirm them with measurements. The thermal sensor is 320 by 320 at 25 Hz. The touch display is 3.98 inches, with smooth controls and 15 color palettes. You can switch from white heat to iron red or rainbow to reveal small temperature differences. For printed circuit boards, choose the version with the macro lens. It can show hot spots down to about 1 mm by 1 mm, perfect for smartphone and mainboard repair. The multimeter offers 20,000 counts with auto and manual range. You can measure direct and alternating voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diodes, non-contact voltage, and temperature.